we got a personal case here for AJ. American Sports Card Collective, 1 of 1, baseball, memorabilia, and pop culture. Got a lot of stuff going on here. Good luck to you, brother. Again, I'll do the random for the bonus item at the end. There's 13 of them left. Some pretty sweet stuff. Let's see what we got here. Alright, we'll start off. Hit number 1. That's pretty sick right there. Stars and Stripes, 1 of 1, Majestic Patch, Bobby Witt Jr. from USA jersey. 1 of 1, Bobby Witt. That is from 2019 Stars and Stripes. Hit number 2. It's like a Letterman. That's sick. Definitive, 1 of 1, Nolan Ryan. Graded as a 9.5. Nolan Ryan, 1 of 1, Letterman. Surface, the grades all 9.5. Next, got a, let's see. All right, this is one of the redemption items I showed for the pop culture. Is the U2 signed songbook. JSA authenticated. U2 songbook. Signed by Bono. Bono, Edge, Adam Clayton, and Larry Mullen Jr. Next, got a Topps Tribute 1 of 1 triple bat, Hank Aaron. That is from 2011 Tribute. That's a Hall of Fame piece right there. Next up, is a 1 of 1 definitive patch autograph, Freddie Freeman. Atlanta Braves. That is from 2018 definitive baseball. All right, and last one. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. What do we have here? Wow. National Treasures, 1 of 1 bat knob of Ernie Banks. Holy shnikes. 1 of 1 Ernie Banks bat knob. Dude, that is filthy. Holy cow. That is from 2017 National Treasures. He told me there's some crazy heat in these cases, guys, so we just gotta open it and find it. That's some heat right there. That will be making its way up to the Instagram page for sure. Okay, let me go ahead and random the bonus item now. Switching back on over. Okay. So again, 7 times. There are the bonus items that are still left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, we're going with bonus item number 12. 12 now is off the board. Let me pull this real quick. Bonus item 12. Where are you at? There it is. I showed it earlier, too. Number 12 is the Game Used cap Max Scherzer, MLB, certified. Atlanta Braves at the Detroit Tigers, April 27th, 2013. Very cool. AJ, appreciate it, buddy. Let's show the monster once again. Ernie Banks, 1/1 bat knob is something you don't see every day. Great hit, man. I'll get all this stuff packed up and shipped out ASAP.